Hi everyone. Excuse me, started off bad. Okay, I think this is the last Father's Day card for a while um, in this series. So all I'm doing is sponging on some walnut stain distress oxide ink over a clear scraps gears stencil onto craft cardstock, just to give the background a bit of interest. I don't know about you, but Father's Day cards or masculine cards are the hardest. So just spritz that with some water just to oxidize it and get some more interest. Alright, again I'm using some paper scraps, cutting a ribbon on the end and inking the edges. Love this stamp set. I think, where's it from? Oh, I didn't say. Don't know. I'll have to put the link in there. Oh, it'll be in the description below anyway. So I used my stamp positioning tool there to see where I wanted to put it, and you'll see why once I incorporate the strip. So the happy is the big bold one there, and then you've got all events, like anniversary, Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthday. So it's a really good set to have. Oh, there you go, Hero Arts, Happy Stamp and Cut. So here I'm placing that strip over that H there, H, and trying to line it up so that I can, it flows the way it should. And I actually did it first go, so yay me. So without moving the strip, I'm holding it down at the bottom and adhering some glue on it. Thought it needed a little bit more. Again, cutting a ribbon off the end of it makes it more interesting, doesn't it? So I'm going to cut this piece of craft cardstock. That's going to have the sentiment on it, the rest of the sentiment. Okay, happy with that? Yeah, glue the rest down, Jen, before you put this on. So there's the Father's Day. Glue that down, stick it on, and we're almost done. Right, I tried to find a little gear, but they were mostly large ones. This was a box of goodies that I've added to since and taken from that Dar sent me. Thanks, Star. Love it. It's one of my go-tos when I want a metal element. So I go to my jewellery drawers and try and open this bag, and there's a little gear in there, gear-ish. So then I needed to grunge it up, which it didn't really. I should have just left it solid on there instead of moving it around. Probably needed a little bit more black as well. So I used rust and black alcohol inks there. Not too bad on the finished product that I'm looking at the card. Probably should have dimensionalised that one. Give it a bit more interest. Eh. And marrying the black ink with the black cardstock. Could have taken that out. I think we all know by now how to add score tape. Oh, I haven't edited this too well, have I? It was a bit late last night when I was doing this, so this is real time. So slow. Looking to see what sentiment I want to put inside the card. So I usually put a sentiment in every card that I make, with the exception of the sympathy cards. And just using Onyx Black VersaFine ink there. Gee, I work slow in real time. Oh, I have a habit of getting ink on my thumb and putting it over the card. Caught it that time, thank goodness. Okay. Thank you, Dad. I turned out just amazing. Just like you. Amazing. Okay, now we can stick the card topper down. And time. Yeah, I couldn't find where it was. I found it. Adhering it with some Glossy Accents. I find that Glossy Accents is the best adhesive to use when adhering metal. So there it is. It's done, guys. I'm quite happy with it. Yeah. So you can see that gear in a minute, that it has really taken that alcohol ink, thank goodness. A little bit more than I thought originally. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will be back sometime soon with another type of card. Bye.